I tried to monetize my AI cat channel on day 7 and got rejected. A lot of YouTubers say you don't need to wait until you hit 1,000 subscribers to make money. They say you can start affiliate marketing from day 1. When I heard that, I thought, perfect, this could work for my AI cat channel. So I decided to test it. By day 7, I had posted 5 AI cat shorts. Together, they were getting close to 10,000 views, and I had 10 subscribers. Not huge numbers, but enough to make me think maybe someone will see the potential here. After comparing different affiliate programs, I chose Flex Offers, mainly because they offer a wide variety of products, tools, services, and things I could naturally connect to my future AI cat videos. So I applied. Quick side note, they require Google Authenticator. I had never used it before, so I had to set that up first. Slight friction, but no big deal. They said I'd hear back in 2 business days. 2 days passed, nothing. 1 week passed, still nothing. Almost 2 weeks later, silence. So I finally emailed them, and that's when I got the rejection. Their message said my YouTube channel does not align with our current requirements or is in conflict with one of our policies. No explanation, just rejected. Honestly, I get it. The channel was brand new, the subscriber count was low, and even though the AI cats were getting views, that probably wasn't enough yet. After that, I looked into Amazon's affiliate program. Their rule is straightforward. You need 3 referred qualifying sales within 180 days. If it doesn't happen, your application gets withdrawn, but you can always try again. So here's the real lesson I learned. When people say start affiliate marketing immediately, take that advice with a grain of salt, especially if you're running a brand new Faceless or AI channel. Some strategies work great for established creators. Others only work after your channel has earned a bit more trust. In my case, Flex Offers wasn't ready for my AI cat channel yet. And that's fine, because now I know views are nice, but credibility takes time. If you're also building a Faceless or AI channel, follow along. I'm sharing everything I learn, including the mistakes.